Hello everybody. Welcome to the Market Views update for 17th August 2018 from Brokerage Free. Let's have a look at the important points from yesterday's trading session. The markets ended on a bearish note. Foreign institutional investors sold shares worth about 825 crores. Domestic investors bought shares worth about 133 crores. We have some important stock news. For TCS, the company signs a new agreement for digital transformation with the Scotland-based improvement services. Kotak Mahindra Bank to open over 100 branches in the financial year 2019. Reliance Communications Supreme Court holds return of 2,000 crores bank guarantee to the company. Tech Mahindra signs a 4-year deal with the US football team. BEML, the company has been flagged off as the nation's first 150-ton electric dump truck. Bank of India, the lender, has put 50 non-performing accounts with 5,557 crores outstanding for sale. Let's have a look at Nifty. Nifty opened at 11,397 and closed at 11,385. Nifty made an intraday high of 11,449 and a low of 11,366. The market swung by about 83 points. The markets closed by about 50 points down from the previous day close of 11,435. Support levels at this point of time for Nifty is around 11,353 and 11,319. Resistance levels for Nifty at this point of time is around 11,437 and 11,487. Bank Nifty support levels at this point of time is 27,737 and 27,642. Resistance levels for Bank Nifty is around 27,962 and 28,102. Let's have a look at long build-up. Long build-up happens when people open long positions. Today we have Bajaj Finance Limited with a change in open interest of 6.27%. We also have GAIL India Limited with a change of about 3.8% in open interest. We have two more stocks, Bharat Petroleum and ICICI Bank Limited, with a change in open interest above 2%. So if you're trading in these stocks, please take note of these stocks, that these are the stocks people are taking long positions in. Long unwinding happens when people close their long positions. We have only about 3 stocks in this list today, only with Adani Port with a change in open interest of more than 2%. If you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are exiting the long positions in these stocks. Short build-up happens when people open short positions, because of which there is a price decrease, but the open interest increases. We have a good number of stocks for which there was short build-up as of yesterday. Kotak Mahindra Bank had a short build-up close to 10%. We have 2 stocks, HDFC and Indian Oil Corporation, with a short build-up more than 4%. We have about 4-5 stocks, Larsen & Toubro, Vedanta, HCL Tech, Bharati Infratel, all of them above the 3% change in open interest mark. So this is a pretty good list, long list. So please take note of these stocks if you are trading in them. People are opening short positions in these stocks. Short covering happens when people close their short positions, because of which there is a marginal price increase, but the open interest decreases. Lupin has a change in open interest of 4.49%, and a couple of stocks, Sun Pharmaceuticals and Grasim Industries, have open interest change of about more than 2%. There are a couple of more stocks, Bajaj Auto and Maruti Suzuki also, for which the change in open interest is above 1%. If you're trading in these stocks, please take note that people are closing short positions in these stocks. We'll have a look at the world markets. The American markets were largely positive yesterday. Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq were all in the green. Canadian markets were up by 0.57. Mexico was down by 1.02%. Brazil down by 0.34%, and Chile down by 0.30%. The European markets were all on the positive side, as you can see in the slide. The Asian markets were somewhat mixed. The Japanese markets up by 0.55, Hong Kong up by 1.06. Chinese markets more or less remained the same with no difference at all. And Mumbai Sensex and NSE Nifty was down by 0.5 and 0.44% respectively. At the time of preparing this report, Singapore Nifty was about 50 points higher. The market is expected to open up marginally higher and possibly go up a little bit. The last date for filing income tax returns is August 31st, 2018. There is a penalty for not filing the income tax returns before the last date, which is 5,000 rupees. If you're a trader and if you have made losses, it is very important that you file your income tax returns before the deadline, so you can offset those losses against any future profits that you might make. If you need any help with your income tax returns, please give us a call on 8095-308-555. Thank you for watching this edition of Market Views Update from Brokerage Free. Invest wisely for a better future. Good luck with your trades. Thank you.